Right, so I need to make a turn.
Start over there.
Yeah, I don't need to run up that far, but I need to kind of get a turn. This needs to be dug out a little bit here so I can come from that angle. Ooh, I didn't think I was I didn't think that was quite as steep as it was. Okie dokie. Get that digging thing out. Let's have some fun. Oh my. The tree seems to be growing out of my shoulder. Right, you stay there. Let's start the dig. Right, we need to trim this off. Oh, it's bent! It's useless! These things were less than £2 on Lazada. 76 baht. Oh. There's a washer on there that's useless. It's too thin. The one that I made, the shacks. Check out my other videos for the shacks, people. But the shacks was cool. That's useless. It's just bent. No, I can't do anything with it. I can't even hit this. Oh, God. What a load of plop. So, today's video is a review on useless junk what you can buy on Lazada. Go and get a blade of grass. Get a piece of grass. I can cut it better with a piece of grass. Yeah. She loves my jokes, does Miniatron. Look, I can't do anything with it. I'll just hold it at the end then, shall I? Right, so... right, well, we'll just file that where it belongs. Should I be trying to hurt myself now before a big race, or should I wait and just hurt myself on the big race? Oh, decisions. This stuff's so soft. That tree's where I want to be. No, that tree was where I wanted to be, really, to get up there. Did I go down here really fast just now? Kind of like a bull in a china shop here. I want to go inside that as well. That's where I wanted to go. Now I'm in here. Where do I want to go now? Up there. Oh, I'm going to do a bit of cheating. I knocked the corner off a bit. Oops. Want a bit more attack on that. I want to be on the right a bit more. Grandma Jarvis is probably laughing his private thing off right now. Guess what? We're in the hole. It's not really where we wanted to be. Personally, I'd have dug that hole out, but with that thing down there. Or I could use the back wheel to wheel spin most of it out. You need to go home and get me shacks. I don't suppose you're going to help me then, are you? Yeah, whenever you laugh, I know that means you ain't got open ale, pal. So, you going to leave me here like this? Oops. Oh, shave that bit. I could barrel it through the middle. Give me a hand to get my bike off of here. Oh, you have to come around the back and pull. So yeah, I was going to put a shout out to post 10. Post to 10. If you've ever watched these videos, they're just mesmerizingly interesting. If you share the same kind of thing, and a lot of people do, because he gets massive hits, but what he does, he just cruises around looking for blocked up drains, and then he just unblocks them. I mean, like, why not? So I can totally get with what he does. Big shout out, post 10. And I suffer the same sort of affliction because I can see a way through here, but it just needs a bit of work. So, like a demented fool, here I am, knocking this all around, and I'm doing it now because when the dry season is here, this reverts back to rock. This should be quite amusing in a minute, because that's going to drop down in there. Now, because I'm crap and old, I'm going to give myself an unfair advantage by trying to get the front wheel to take a path of least resistance. Resistance in my age being futile. This is not so much a bloody digging stick now as like an ice cream spoon or spork. So if you happen back through some of my other stuff, you'd have noticed that I did this on a grander scale on the trip up the helicopter pad. So, what we got now? Once more into the breach. Dear friends! Yeah, she didn't know I was coming in here. I'll be honest with you, I didn't either. And that was my way out. That's going to need quite a lot of thinking about that one. Meanwhile, in a way, it's a shame I didn't have kids, because they certainly wouldn't be able to say they had a boring dad, would they? Superstar! Have you seen? No, have you seen The Way Out? Have you seen The Way Out? Come and look. this is where we were sat when the motocross was on, and I was looking at this and I said to you, oh, this could be fun. Depending on how demented you are. Get off me, sticky thing. We'd have to take that cave-in down a bit in order to mount the assault. I think that's a downward one only, that one. Where's your bike? Huh? Where's your bike? No, I was going to use your bike because it's easier to jump off it when it all goes tits up. This dirt is so soft. Well, I'm not getting up that. Not like this, the bike's not got enough